अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। तो व्यूअर्स, आज मैं आपके लिए पास पेपर्स लाया हूँ सब इंस्पेक्टर के, जो कि पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से मुनक़िद हुए थे। और ये रेड हाईलाइटेड ऑप्शंस हैं, ये हमारे आंसर्स हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। हु वाज नोन एज टाइगर ऑफ मैसूर? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है टीपू सुल्तान। In 1932, the British Prime Minister announced the communal award granting separate electorates to the depressed classes named the British Prime Minister. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है हमारे पास वो है राम से मैकडोनल्ड। Next question is when Chaudhry Rahmat Ali issued the pamphlet Now or Never in 1933, where was he studying? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है कैम्ब्रिज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन 1911 on the occasion of this coronation at the Delhi Darbar, King George V announced the इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है annulment of partition of Bengal. Next question is Pakistan withdrew from Southeast Asia Treaty Organization in इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है 1973. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द जलियांवाला मैस्कर टुक प्लेस इन इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है अप्रैल 1919. Next question is an interim government was formed in India in 1946. Who was the prime minister of the interim government? इसका जो correct answer है वो है जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Next question is when was the Kashmir issue taken to the United Nations by India? इसका जो correct answer है वो है 1st January 1948. Next question is non-aligned movement was formed in 1961. When did Pakistan join non-aligned movement? इसका जो correct answer है वो है 1972. Next question is to which province did Hussain Shaheed Sohrawardi belong to? इसका जो correct answer है वो है East Pakistan. Next question is when did Pakistan dissociate itself from the Commonwealth? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है 1972. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द रिटायरमेंट एज ऑफ अ जज ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है 65. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज किस्सा सोनी महिवाल वाज रिटन बाय इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है फजल शाह. हु इंट्रोड्यूस द सिस्टम ऑफ बेसिक डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है अयूब खान. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज when for the first time in the world was human heart transplant conducted? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है 1967. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज who was the secretary general of the United Nations? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ट्रेगिवलाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज for galvanizing of iron which of the following metal is issued? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है जिंक. ESCAP stands for इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल कमीशन फॉर एशिया एंड पैसिफिक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिरदौसी वाल्स इसका आंसर है अ पर्शियन पोइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ईस्ट टिमोर which became the 191th member of the United Nations is in the continent of इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है एशिया. Next question is which of the following continents is the smallest in terms of land mass? इसका जो correct answer है वो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Next question is Sri Lanka was formerly known as इसका जो correct answer है वो है Ceylon. Next question is Khojak Pass is located between इसका जो correct answer है वो है Quetta and Chaman. Next question is name of the capital of Kazakhstan. इसका जो correct answer है वो है Astana. Next question is in which country recently the National League for Democracy led by the Aung San Suu Kyi won a landslide victory in elections? इसका जो correct answer है वो है म्यांमार. Next question is Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif visited Uzbekistan recently. Who is the president of Uzbekistan? इसका जो correct answer है वो है Islam Karimov. Next question is who has been appointed as a US Special Representative for Pakistan and Afghanistan? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है रिचर्ड ओल्सन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Qaid-e-Azam Solar Park is one of the biggest projects for solar power generation in Pakistan. Where it being constructed? इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है भावलपुर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Who currently the High Commissioner of Pakistan in India? इसका correct answer है Abdul Basit. Question number 31. If A runs less fast than B and B runs fast but not faster than C, then as compared to A, C runs. So correct answer is faster than A. Next question is, a student gets 60, 50 and 90 marks out of 100 in English, physics and economics respectively. He needs 72% to get a scholarship. How many marks does he need to get in his final paper? Maths to obtain overall 75% marks. इसका जो correct answer वो है 88. Next question is, how many pieces of 85 centimeter length can be cut from a rod 42.5 meters long? इसका जो correct answer है वो है 50. Next question is, the price of a car including 6% sales tax is Rs 1,54,431.40. What is the market price of the car without tax? Correct answer is 1,45,690. Next question is, in an election, a candidate who received 30% of the total vote cast was defeated by 15,000 votes. Find the number of votes obtained by the winning candidate. इसका जो correct answer है वो है 26,250. Next question is, a certain sum of money is distributed among two friends in the ratio of 5 into 11. If one of them got 1200 more than the other, the total amount disputed is, इसका correct answer है 3200. Next question is, if day before yesterday was Saturday, then day after tomorrow will be, इसका correct answer है Wednesday. Next question is, a collection of computers that are connected together is called, इसका correct answer है network. In a computer, the keyboard is used as a device, as an input device. का answer है input. Which device is required for internet connection? इसका correct answer है modem. A normal CD room can usually store up to, इसका correct answer है 680 megabytes. Next question is, which of the following is not an operating system? इसका correct answer है Oracle. Next question is, to create a table of columns and rows for mathematical calculations or statistical representations, which program is used? इसका correct answer है Excel. Next portion is, select the pair of words from the given options which express a similar relationship as in the given words. तो guys ये जो सेक्शन होता है ये थोड़ा मुश्किल सेक्शन होता है पेपर में. हमें सिमिलर वर्ड्स इनके देखने होते हैं, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 48 है, एटम इज इक्वल टू माइक्रोस्कोप. उसके जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा सबमरीन इज इक्वल टू पेरिस्कोप. तो ये सिमिलर वर्ड्स हमें मैच करनी पड़ती हैं. जैसे कि अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टेलीस्कोप is equal to eye, then necklace is equal to neck. Next question is, quince is equal to weight, then acre is equal to area. Next question is, A is the mother of B and C. If D is the husband of C, what relation does A have to D? इसका जो correct answer है वो है mother-in-law. Next question is, if the old man's son is my son's uncle, then what relation has the old man to the me? इसका correct answer है father. Choose the word from the given options which has nearly the same meaning as the given word. Okay, तो guys अब इसमें हमने वो देख रहे हैं जिनका बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सेम मीनिंग हो, और ये भी मुश्किल पोर्शन होता है. जैसे कि पहला क्वेश्चन है एडजेसेंट, इसका जो आंसर है वो है कॉन्टीजियस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इनग्रोस्ड, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है एब्सॉर्ब्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फिजिबल, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है प्रैक्टिकेबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पॉन्डर, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर वो है थिंक ओवर. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज चूज द वर्ड फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन विच हैज नियरली द अपोजिट मीनिंग. ओके तो गाइस अब ये पोर्शन है, इसमें हमने अपोजिट मीनिंग वाले पे टिक करना है. जैसे कि अब ये है डिनाउंस, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डिफेंड. डिप्लीट, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है रिफंड. और ये जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं इनमें मोस्टली कैंडिडेट्स गलतियां कर जाते हैं क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट पोर्शन होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इम्पाउंड, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है रिलीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्रोफेन, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है पायस. CNG इज एब्रीविएशन ऑफ, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रेवल थ्रू, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है वैक्यूम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक्स-रेज वर डिस्कवर्ड बाय, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है रोंटगेन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ब्रीडिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ बीज इज नोन एज, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है सेरिकल्चर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हेपेटाइटिस कॉजेज इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है लिवर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आइसोटोप्स आर एटम्स ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट्स विद डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है न्यूट्रॉन्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है वेलोसिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिली वाज द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लोन्ड शीप, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। Next question is greenhouse effect is mainly caused by excess of space in the atmosphere, इसका जो correct answer वो है carbon monoxide। Next question is which hormone is responsible for production of milk in human body, इसका correct answer है prolactin। Next question is a drop of water is roughly spherical because of, इसका correct answer है surface tension। Next question is which of the following rights are more fundamental in the sense that other rights are dependent on them? इसका correct answer is civil and political rights. Next question is which one of the following is not a political right? इसका correct answer is right to own weapons. Next question is which theory of justice is based on the principle kill the sin not the sinner? इसका जो correct answer है वो है reformative theory. Next question is in which country was the first Truth and Reconciliation Commission established? इसका correct answer है United States of America. Next question is on which day is the Human Rights Day observed? इसका correct answer है 10th December. Next question is which book of Ibn Khaldun made him famous? इसका जो correct answer है वो है मुकदमा. Next question is the Battle of Jamal was fought between Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anhu and correct answer is Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, delivered his farewell sermon at Arafat on, इसका जो correct answer है वो है 10th Zilhaj. Next question is when did fasting become a farz in Islam? इसका जो correct answer है वो है 2nd Hijri. Next question is while migrating Hijrat from Makkah to Medina, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu found refuge in, इसका जो correct answer है वो है Hira cave. Next question is when was the Charter of Medina, Misaq al-Medina adopted? इसका correct answer है first Hijri. Next question is Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif participated in the 21st session of the Conference of the Parties to the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change held in, इसका correct answer है Paris. Which famous police officer has written the book Police, Crime and Politics Memories of an IGP? इसका correct answer है Hafiz S.T. Jami. Next question is recently an important political leader Salahuddin Qadir Chaudhry was hanged in Bangladesh. To which political party did he belong? इसका जो correct answer was Jamaat-e-Islami. Next question is a famous poet and scholar known for his dohas and national songs like Jeeve Jeeve Pakistan and Ae Watan Ki Sajeele Jawan who died recently. What was his name? His name was Jamiluddin Ali. Next question is Scotland Yard is police department of, इसका correct answer है United Kingdom. Mossad is the secret intelligence agency of, इसका correct answer है Israel. Next question is in 2016 the Olympic Games will be held in, question is answer is Rio de Janeiro. Next question is European Union has members. European Union has 28 members. इसका जो correct answer है वो है 28. Next question is which of the following heavyweight boxers who was the first to remain undefeated through his career? His name was Muhammad Ali. Correct answer is Muhammad Ali. Next question is who won the recently conducted Rugby World Cup? इसका जो correct answer है वो है न्यूजीलैंड. तो व्यूअर्स ये थे आज के मेरे क्वेश्चंस पास्ट पेपर से रिलेटेड जो कि सब इंस्पेक्टर का हुआ था पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के थ्रू. और अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आप इस तरह के अपकमिंग वीडियोस रिलेटेड पास्ट पेपर्स हासिल कर सकें. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. अल्लाह हाफिज़.